But anyway, if you go to this and just skip ahead like every 30 minutes and listen to like one sentence, he's fucking crazy.
What? Skip
Just go, skip like every 30 minutes ahead, and whatever you land on, it will be him being insane.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Click 34 minutes. Just click that. Click at 34. I'm saying a random number. 34 straight up.
34:11. That sound good?
Sure, go. Cool.
Play it.
Well, it's loading and thinking.
Full screen it.
Just the two of us.
That's a good song. I might be wrong about this one actually.
What do you mean?
Still-
It is.
No idea where you'll end up. Yeah, I play it by ear. Yeah, I picked this place like a week before I had to move here.
Well, that
Probably
seems
will do
normal.
the same next month. I'm moving middle of next month. But I don't know. I might have to be on the road for work. Yeah, so we'll see.
Basically, I do that though.
Shit, that reminds me. There's a trip I was supposed to go on.
Can I skip it?
Skip, go.
One day, for a bunch of reasons, I decided to unfollow everybody. Literally everybody, except for Bizarre I followed.
Okay. He's.
No, don't let
And
him.
as soon as I did this, all the posts in my feed from other people that I knew went away because I unfollowed them. And all that was left was propaganda. And that propaganda has a very clear trajectory.
What the fuck?
Sneezing on my shit.
He just spit all over your wall. What is
Sneezing in
wrong
your
with you?
sleeve.
My sneezes are really
This
bad,
is
guys.
like rich people itis. You think you could just spit on this
Sorry,
painting?
guys. I have bad sneezes. My sneezes are really bad.
That is unbelievable.
My bad.
We're gonna have to get rid of that painting and replace it with a fucking monitor.
Man, play the video, bro.
That video.
People are gonna get real mad
Uh-oh.
at us. Well,
It's about the Jews.
it's not important to get into the details.
Do the
But
Jews.
yeah, I think there's gonna be some.
Jews.
I think they're teeing up Donnie to
Get
come
assassinated.
in and,
Why would you say this?
30s Germany all over again.
Oh, okay.
So
That'll
far,
be a
he's not
fucking
crazy.
mess.
He's just paranoid.
What?
He's just paranoid.
Him saying I have to move every month for work? I just picked this place out of a week.
Wait. If you're gonna call Boogie on very specific semantics, I'll call you on semantics then. It's not what he said. He said, I picked this place 10 years before I moved.
Love it on that beat, go. Hype. Mustard on the beat, ho. Bebo, any rap, nigga. Yeah, free throw. Man, damn, call her Amber Lambs. Tell him breathe, bro. Nella nigga to the cross. He walk around like T. So what's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? The industry can hate me. Fuck them all and leave mama.